Good day everyone, this is Midshipman Gerald Galansagaitan, and for today's video we're going to demonstrate the proper lining up starting operation and testing the steering gear operation system on board. And I will be your chief engineer for this simulation with my group mate. So for today, we're going to use Process Display Directory MC90V for our simulation. So without further ado, let's start the simulation. So the first step is to find the initial condition. So in order to find the initial condition, we have to press F6 and then click for the initial condition, and we can see the preparation in the left corner, so we're going to click that. And of course, to start the simulation, press F1 to start the vessel, and then press F7 to go to process overview to select process directory. And then after that, we can see the process directory in the lower part and click for that. And now we're going to start the steps in steering gear operation.
Chief Engineer Gaitan, kindly please locate the shortcut of MD58 steering gear system. Thank you.
I already locate the shortcut of MD58 steering gear system. After that, the second step is
Chief Engineer Gaitan, kindly please fill up the steering gear expansion tank and oil sump tank 1 and 2. Thank you.
So as you can see, our liters here is currently at 0.25. So we're going to fill up by opening the valves over here, and also the valve in oil filling. To open, left click, and to close, right click. Once red L is gone, please stop filling the tank to avoid the overflow. So let's wait until it's top off. So as you can see, it's already filled up, and then we're going to proceed to the next step.
Chief Engineer Gaitan, please close the steering gear 1 bypass valve.
So this is the steering gear 1 bypass valve, and we're going to close this. Midshipman Bumanglag, steering gear 1 bypass valve is already closed.
Chief Engineer Gaitan, kindly please close steering gear 2 and shut off valve. Thank you.
Steering gear 2 shut off valve, it is located here. If it's black, it's already closed. Midshipman Ugarte, steering gear 2 shut off valve is already closed.
Chief Engineer Gaitan, kindly open the steering gear 1 shut-off valves or the 2 valve. Thank you.
Thank you, Midshipman Religioso. Steering gear 1 shut-off valves or the 2 valves are now already open. Also after that, we are going also to open the steering gear 2 shut-off valve or the 2 valves.
Chief Engineer Gaitan, kindly please open the steering gear 2
And
shut-off
now we're
valves.
going to open this
Thank
one.
you.
So after that, we can see that both 1 and 2 are already open. Midshipwomen highlight, steering gear 2 shut-off valves are already open.
Chief Engineer Gaitan, please start number 1 and 2 steering gear pump, then put it to remote mode. Thank you.
So as you can see here, it's still at local mode we're going to put it to remote mode by clicking this one. Midshipman Bumanglag, I already start number 1 and 2 steering gear pump, and I also put to remote mode. And the last step for lining up starting operation for our steering gear system is
Chief Engineer Gaitan, kindly please go to MD102 and press auto of steering gear pump. Thank you.
Go to MD102, press auto off steering gear pump so that it's located at panel directory, then press 102, which is power chief pump control. As you can see in the middle, go to the steering gear pumps and press O2. After that, press back button to go back to our steering gear system. And that is how you lining up starting, operating, and testing at steering gear system on board. So if you want to steer the vessel at the bridge, press local and you can start turning the vessel to port or to starboard. Thank you everyone for listening.